This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making chicken macaroni soup. In the West, kids grow up with mac and cheese. In the East, it's chicken macaroni soup. In this video, I'll show you a fuss-free way of cooking chicken macaroni soup. There are lots of shortcuts here, but you will end up with the same delicious dish. Let's start by making the chicken soup. There are several ways to do this. You can buy packaged chicken broth, use chicken cubes, or make chicken stock with chicken bones. Packaged chicken broth is always the easiest. Just empty 3 liters of it in a pot and you have your chicken stock for this dish. The second way is to use chicken cubes. Just follow the instructions on the package and make 3 liters of stock. Today, for this recipe, I will be using chicken bones. You can buy chicken bones from any of the supermarkets or wet markets. Put the chicken bones in a pot and add 3 liters of water and 1 teaspoon of salt. Bring all this to a boil and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. Skim off the scum from the top of the pot. Meanwhile, let's prepare the other ingredients. I have here 300 grams of chicken breast. But you can use chicken thighs or any parts of the chicken you want. Cut the chicken meat up into smaller pieces. Then, season the chicken with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and some white pepper. Set all this aside. For the vegetables, dice up 1 medium carrot, one rib of celery, and 1 medium onion. You will also need some green leafy vegetables. Use any green leafy vegetables you like or have lying around. I am using some pak choy here. After boiling the chicken bones for about 30 minutes, remove and discard the bones. I have switched to my wok here because the pot was a bit too small. Into the chicken stock, put in the carrots, the celery, the onions, and 200 grams of macaroni. Next, put in the seasoned chicken as well. Bring all this to a boil and let it simmer for about 12 to 15 minutes, till the macaroni is cooked and the vegetables are tender. You will need to stir the pot in the first few minutes of boiling. This is to prevent the macaroni from sticking to the sides and the bottom of the pan. After 12 to 15 minutes, test the macaroni to make sure that it's done. Then, season all this with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and half a teaspoon of pepper. Next, add in the green leafy vegetables for about 30 seconds. Turn off the heat. Then, taste and adjust for seasoning. To serve, I usually sprinkle some spring onions on top of the soup. But I have some crispy fried shallots here, so I'm adding this instead. This is chicken macaroni soup.